Hello, today I'll be showing how to reduce your fat face through makeup and get a very beautiful and shiny and glowy finish like this. So don't skip the video, let's check it out and I'll show you how I've created it. First, I'll use Biotics moisturizer. It is very important to moisturize your face while you do your makeup, and after that also apply a primer. Now we will use concealer. Stick to conceal our eye. I will nicely conceal it, and first I'm gonna do my eyebrows today. You can see it's very bad eyebrow date, so using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil I'm just lining it nicely so that I can define it to the best I can do. Again, I will use Maybelline Fit Me liquid concealer to highlight my eyebrows nicely and to lock down it so that it look more defined. Now you can see the difference, how much defined it is looking. Instead of, I don't have threading right now on my eyebrows, still it is looking so cool. Now, as I said that this is not gonna be a foundation look today, so I'm using Lakme's Rose Powder and I'm applying a loads of powder. You can see now, right now I'm looking like a white ghost. Don't be scared and don't afraid. I will just lock it down everything nicely. So now I'm using my dark eyeshadow transition color as my contour. As I said you that I'll show you how to slim down your fat face. You can see that I have a very round face. I'm just trying to give it a slim down face, and I am really successful in it. You can see, so don't forget to line your double chin. I have a huge double chin, so now you can see how I'm cutting it out. So yes, and now blending it nicely, just dabbing it, not blending, actually dabbing it. And I have just dust off all the powder from my face. Now using that brownie color, I'm just applying onto my crease as my transition color. Then next I'll be taking the maroon shade to apply on my eye. But I'll tell you one thing, the maroon is looking very bright here in the camera. I don't know why, but it's really very pinkish and very lightish. So yeah, let's see how I've done my eye makeup. I have highlighted my lower lash line using the same maroon color just to brighten up my eye, and then I will be applying Wet n Wild kajal onto my lower lash line very thinly, just onto my lash line. That's all. Next I'll be using this VLCC kajal and I'll apply onto my crease. This is gonna be a very dark and bold eye color. So yeah, just creating some smoky look, and then again applying onto my lower lash line to make it thick. I'll be you blending it out later if there are any harsh lines, so don't worry about it. So yeah, this is all about my eye makeup today, and yeah, you're ready with your black smoky eye in a very easy way. Next I'll be applying Lotus mascara to curl my eyelashes. I don't apply falsies much because I don't like wearing them. Now I'll be using Maybelline's this purple color wala blush. Favorite highlight time, Wet n Wild highlight. You can see what an amazing result it gives, and it has just instantly changed my face, and the glow, it's just added to my face right now. It's looking really awesome. Liner time, I'm using Lakme lip liner to line my lips. It's a maroonish color, so I'll be lining my lips, and also I'll be filling my lip with the same lip liner as a primer so that it stays so long. And after that I'll be using Faces silver color lipstick, and yeah, here I'm done. I'll be wearing some jewelries, that's all, and my look is ready. So just wait for the final looks. Okay, I was just going through my makeup. I thought my some harsh lines are visible, so I was blending it out, and then here is the final looks. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please.